Hello guys, welcome to Judy Home, and in today's tutorial I'm showing you guys how to attach water collector to your roof in Archicad. Okay, so let's proceed without wasting much of your time. So first of all, you can see the gutter, which is this one, and then you can see the pipes that take the water direct from the roof to the ground. Okay, so let me show you guys how to do this, the steps on how I did this. Okay, let me show you guys the step on how I was able to do this. So first of all, let's remove this roof. Okay, let's remove the roof. Click on that particular roof. Okay, we're starting now, so click on that particular roof and then go to your CI tools. You don't have this Cadimage tool. Okay, I've made a tutorial on how to install this. Okay, so I'll attach that video to this particular one. You can easily go there and see, or I'll just attach it to the description, so from there you can easily watch on how I was able to install this. Okay, so after clicking on the roof, the next thing is click on CI tool and then covering. Click on covering. Under covering, select roof covering. Okay, once you click on roof covering, this is what you will see sometimes. Okay, sometimes you will see these custom settings, or you can just see showing frame. Anyone can appear, but make sure you select, you keep clicking until you see this gutter. The diagram will show actually. Okay, until you see this. Okay, until you see this water collector. All right, until you see this water collector. It's also known as gutter. So for the settings, okay, there's A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so let's start from A. A is the distance between here and here. That's the width of that particular gutter. Okay, and then I made use of 150. Okay, so it depends on which of the size you want. You can use 100 or 152. So the width is the A is the width, and then the B, which is from here to here, is the depth. Okay, is the depth. So I made use of 100 for the depth. Then when you come to C, C is the distance from here to here. That's from the roof tip to this side. So I didn't add anything. So that means the gutter is attached directly to the roof. Okay, close to the roof or directly to the roof. That's what I made. That's why I made this one 0. There's no distance. Okay, and for the D, that's the distance from here to here. Is what is asking here is, do you want your gutter to start from the tip of the roof, or you want to give a distance? If you give any distance here, the roofing sheet, the sheet under this side, that's the corrugations here, will be dropping the water down. Okay, so I made it 0. In other words, I made this gutter to start from this particular point. That's why it's 0. Once it's 0, it's starting from the first point. Okay, and then E, I made it 12. The E is the distance, that's the thickness of this small coping you're seeing, which is E. Okay, so I made it 12, just 12. All right, 12 mm. And for the F, is the distance from the B, is the distance from here to down, and then the F is the distance also from here, that's under the coping, from under the coping too. So it's the same thing, this one and this one. Here to here, that's from here to this downside, to this downside. This is what you're seeing. So this one now is, I made this F 100. Okay, B, you can see B is 100, and also the F is 100. So it's the same thickness, it's the same depth, all the depths are the same. Okay, all the depths are the same. All right, so these are the basic settings. These are just the basic settings. Okay, let's do something. Let's click on OK and let me show you something. So if you check very well now, you see that we have that particular gutter. It's starting close. There's no space. Okay, everything is just attached close to the roof, and you can see that particular coping, that small coping you saw there. This is the small coping that is attached to the roof. I don't know if you can see it, but this is let me zoom it close. So this is the coping. This is what I made 12, and then from here to here. So everything is just based on our settings. Okay, and then now, how do you attach those gutters? Sorry, the pipes. How do you attach the pipes? It's very simple. Okay, don't forget, I got you. So just click on this particular roof, this particular gutter. Once you click on the gutter, you see one small point, you see one pink dot, this pink dot. Click on that pink. Normally, based on default, this is how it will show you. You will experiencing something like this. You will click on that pink, but this is what you'll be experiencing. Okay, so it's not something to panic about. Once you're seeing this, that means it's under drag, so you need to remove it from drag. This is drag. So remove it from drag and take it to this move node. Once you click on that one, you can now see a sign of pipe. So take it to anywhere you want, any distance, any position you want, and then click on a particular position. So now you can see that particular pipe now. And then if the height or the length is not up to what you want, still click on this other one and then drag it down and click from there and click there. So you can see that particular one here now. And let's say you want another one here. Click on this one. I think there's provision to create one. Or can we make two? Let's see. Okay. No, you can't create two. It's only one. So for each of the space, yeah, you have permission to create one, just one. Okay. So for this other side now, this other face, we can still create another one here. So just drag it and drop. Okay. Make sure you pick that node, and then you can increase or add the height, the length. Okay. So this is it. Let's say you don't like black color. Maybe based on your model, you just want something white for the building to come out well. So how do we change the color? Don't bother yourself clicking on these ones to go and change. Just restart the entire thing. Okay, it's easier that way. So that means before you change this color, make sure you change it during your settings, so you don't end up finishing work and then going back to delete the roof again. Okay, so let's say we are starting afresh now. Okay, so this is the time to set the color, right? So click on the roof. We've already done something. We've already done the settings. So under CI2, click on covering, under covering, select roof covering. Now for the color, make sure you select the color. Now this is where you change the color. Okay, you see appearance. So under appearance, click on this little dot you're seeing, change it to the color you want. Let's say white. So white is okay, and then click OK. So the gutter now is coming out as white color. So once you check if you check your 3D now, if you check the water size or color now, you can see that is white color. Let's quickly create our pipes. Okay, so click on one face, hold that pink, and then drop it down. Automatically the colors too will be white. Okay, this color will be white. So click on this one, click on that pink button or dot, and then drag it down. So for this second one, which is this side, same thing, same thing, same thing, same thing. You can still take this one down from here to this point. Okay, so this is how to create your gutter and also the pipes. Okay, and also the pipe. The white is as if it's joining. It's not joining, just that the colors are white, both the concrete fascia and this one is white. So this is how to change the color, and also this is how to create your roof gutter. Okay, so thank you so much for your time, and if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, if you find the video interesting, you can share, and if you have any question, please feel free to drop it on the comment section. I'll attend to you. Okay, see you on our next tutorial.